It's after hours, and we're making a chicken and waffle cocktail. Seriously, chicken waffle. It'd be funny if I cut out all of my shaking and only put yours. The crazy fun part, we got our waffle. Chicken waffle cocktail. Who would have thought? Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the little bell. Chicken and waffle.
But that's a dinner or breakfast or brunch. It's
Not anymore.
Well, dude,
Not anymore.
show me how.
We saw this on the interwebs.
Where we find all good things.
Yes. But we did make some changes to it because we saw that it has an egg yolk.
White.
Sorry, white. But it wasn't shaken like a lot of egg white drinks are. So
Yeah, it wasn't dry shook.
yeah, it didn't. It wasn't dry shaken,
shaken.
and it wasn't shaken like for a long, long time.
Yeah.
So we're about to get tired again. But that's the fun of drinking.
What's this we? I'm just here to drink.
We'll see. First thing we need though is some bourbon or whiskey. You can do whiskey. Yeah.
There you go, sir.
Yes, some Bullet bourbon. We're gonna be doing 4 ounces.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Is this for one?
It can be for one,
That's it.
but we're gonna do it for 2.
Yes.
So we got 1 ounce in there already, and we need 3 more. So, just like
Now, isn't the other side an ounce and a half?
that. No, this side's 1.5 ounces.
Oh, that side's an ounce?
Yeah, the other side's 1 ounce.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I couldn't say, tell which side you're using.
This guy just pours out of the bottle. He doesn't measure.
I just take a count until the bottle's empty.
Exactly. We also have, crazily, 1.5 ounces of maple syrup.
Tell me it's not so.
It is. It is.
All right.
And you know, this cocktail is actually really, really good.
It actually is. It's a great brunch cocktail. Now, it's not
Yeah.
at the end of the night, kind of, I'm just
No.
going to sip on it. You're not going to have more than 2 of these guys.
No, I don't even know if you have more than 1.
But it's perfect if you're having a brunch and a fun little cocktail. It is fun.
It is.
And it goes, if make a batch of chicken and waffles and have a chicken and waffle cocktail to go with it, your guests will blow their mind.
Yeah, and if you do the little crazy thing like we did and actually make chicken waffles,
Not chicken and waffles.
it's,
Chicken waffles.
yes. I haven't seen anybody do that, actually.
Well, it is cool because the garnish, we used our leprechaun finger, that
Yeah.
little trend of the chicken, cheese, and egg.
Yeah.
And then we put it in a waffle machine and made chicken waffles. When they're actually not bad. Put a little syrup on them.
They're not. It's actually really cool that worked out.
Yes.
It truly was a test, and it worked out.
Yeah, and now it's the garnish.
Yeah, so we may have to do a video of that. But I just added some lemon juice, 1.5 ounces actually. And now,
Fresh squeeze.
yes, fresh squeezed, always better. Now we're gonna add some flavor.
Ooh, what kind of flavor are we adding?
We are going to add 1/4 ounce of each almond extract and vanilla extract.
I gotta love that. That's gonna be very fragrant.
Yeah, it is. There we go. There's our vanilla. Here's our almond. Should have done it the other way, but
Yeah, but you know, tomato.
it's fine. It's fine. And now we need an egg yolk. I mean white. Again, I said yolk.
I got you. Right here. May I?
Yeah, go ahead. You could even dry shake it if you want.
I mean, let's not get
Let's not get too crazy. Okay. Now that we've got all of our ingredients in there, we're gonna dry shake. Best probably 2 minutes, but I might just do 1.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go take a nap while you shake.
Okay. After you've dry shaken, I learned just squeeze the edges of this, and this comes out a lot easier. See?
Ooh, you don't have to bang it on the fridge.
I don't know. I learned a thing or two.
Well,
Now, we need to do about a cup of ice. Basically, fill up the glass that you're gonna be using, completely filled with ice, and add it to your shaker.
Do you need to take a break? You're kind of out of breath.
Yeah, I do. I'm just kidding. Okay, and now, another minute to 2 minutes.
All right.
With a towel, because this thing gets cold, very cold.
While you shake, I'll get glasses ready with some ice.
Yeah, sweet.
I'll do the hard work.
And the original recipe did not say to shake this much.
It's just crazy.
Yeah, it's a change that we made, but it makes it a lot better. It'd be funny if I cut out all of my shaking and only put yours.
All right.
And it's done. Now, you should see a nice icy outside. And once again, just kind of squeeze the edges and it should come out a lot easier.
There you go, we're learning.
Yeah, and now, double strain. Also was not on the instructions of the last drink.
No, and catch your breath.
Yeah, catch your breath too.
You can have a workout with your cocktail.
Yeah, that's
Guiltless cocktail.
that is absolutely right.
Ooh, look at that. That just looks like creamy.
It does. Creamy deliciousness.
Cocktails with eggs are fun. I'm kind of liking it.
Yeah,
We've been doing a lot of those of late.
we have.
We just watched a margarita one.
We did.
Like,
We're gonna have to try that too.
oh,
I'm really.
without a doubt.
So now, the
Now where's
crazy
the waffle?
Yeah, the crazy fun part. We got our waffle. So, just made a little slice on the outside, and
There we go.
there we go.
Chicken waffle.
Chicken waffle cocktail. Who would have thought you could have a chicken waffle cocktail?
It's a big garnish.
Cheers.
That is good. I like the almond extract,
Me too.
maple.
All of those flavors go
good.
awesome together. The original recipe, very good job. Just a couple changes on the technique, and it made it into a creamy, just smooth, delicious cocktail.
That is an awesome one. Good job. High five.
Also, note, no ice, you would have one cocktail because it would fill the whole glass. But that's a lot of
A
alcohol.
lot of bourbon. You're not going to be walking away from that brunch.
No, you wouldn't need more than one.
Yeah.
So add ice back into your glass, strain over ice. You can have 2 cocktails.
There you go. All right. Huh?
So,
Cheers and
cheers.
let's enjoy our chicken and waffles.
Yeah, and don't forget to drink responsibly.
Only have one of these.
Yeah, maybe.
All right. That was good.
Thank you.
I like the banter. It was fun.
Me too.